Hello everyone, I just woke up and it is about 8:20 and it is my birthday. I'm turning 16. So if you guys just kind of want to like see me what I do today, keep on watching.
16
And the gift was from Aunt Rita.
when you're 16.
You got a gift from Mom and Dad?
No, because you know you're like it was the Vapor Maxes, but no, the money Aunt Rita and Aunt Susie got.
We gave you a birthday gift.
No, you did.
Yes, we did.
I asked. No, you did.
Jack.
Birthday party and shoes.
Are you
Yeah,
really?
no, the Vapor Maxes, Aunt Rita and Aunt Susie gave me money, and I asked Mom if I could use the money for the shoes.
I just told the internet though, just to let you know.
What?
Look at this yellow thing. Yes. Can't wait to dive in. Hola. So I don't feel like really, how do I put this? Talking through this or showing you a tutorial. Because I want to listen to Post Malone and like his music's good, but I don't want to get copyrighted. So I'm just gonna like speed through my makeup for the day because I'm going glam. Like it's my birthday. I gotta look fabulous, you know? So let's go. And you know what I'm doing after this? We're going to Best Buy and buying me this camera I want. I want a vlogging camera because I'm obsessed with filming and filmmaking and I just like cameras. So I'm excited. And then we're gonna go to the mall and hopefully I can use the vlog camera and show you guys. So yeah, let's just get on into my makeup. So, I've been getting ready, watching Vines because my go home down here isn't set up. I'm in my basement. It's gonna be my new filming area and my color balance is off right now, but I don't care because this is a vlog. But just to give you a highlight, I'm not gonna show you everything I'm doing, but I did get for my birthday these new L'Oreal True Match Glotions. So I'm gonna put one on right now and we're just gonna see how good this looks. I have high expectations because Alana Davison likes this and she always looks so good. So I don't know. This is the light shade. It's kind of bronzy, which, you know, I'm chill with. And like my face actually has no breakouts right now. I just have acne scars. So I don't know how this will look on top of those things. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, I know I'm gonna be obsessed with this. It's a very smooth texture, like butter, baby. Can you tell I just had my eyebrows done? Because like, it took me so much less time to do my brows. Thank the Lord, because usually it takes me like a good 12 hours. But yeah, I'm looking like a snack. What can I say? Hey guys, so I just finished my makeup up and you can kind of see it here, but this lighting is so jacked. But we're gonna go buy my camera and then I'll start vlogging. So yeah, bye.
Like that the mic is in there.
Right.
That's a big deal.
Say hi. Say hi, Mom.
Hello, how are you?
Jack, say hi. He's kind of grumpy because I got a camera. And now we're gonna go to Sephora. And yeah.
I've been told I look younger with glasses on, so I'm gonna put my glasses on. I was mistaken for Olivia's sister when I had on glasses, but we know he was just being polite. Okay. The shoes are cool. Girl is styling. Ooh, that's a pretty color. It's not. What do you think?
We went to Sephora and I bought
like that.
3 things because they were all kind of expensive. And now we're just in Finish Line. Jack's looking at Jordan.
Show Jack's shoe that he wants. Can you show? Talk to us about it, Jack. Why do you want it?
It's a cool Jordan.
Yeah.
Retro 12 that I've been wanting since the last time we went on vacation.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, and I like.
Alright, go get another shoe that you like.
I think they're very ugly. Look at all those vegans. Completely vegan Sloppy Joe. He's kind of mad.
You kind of need to eat it with a fork,
and then,
Jack.
What is this, Mom?
Avocado sandwich. Hold on, let me show it to you. Yeah,
Oh.
it's really good.
Oh. Hello, my children. My children. Oh, yeah. You look so cute. Oh, Mom, what? She just sticks up on her legs. Look, Zoe. Oh, Zoe, come on. She was like. Baby, say hi. Say hi to the camera. Oh. George. There's George over there. You see George? Hey guys, so remember how I was in the car, right? And I was all like, we're going to Urban Outfitters. Well, psych. We did not go. Because I can't remember. Oh yeah. My birthday is June 15th and Father's Day is Sunday, I believe. Yeah. And my mom just wanted to go get my dad a grill, and I'm seeing Incredibles 2! Incredibles 2! And that means, you know what that means? Since I'm seeing Incredibles 2 at the place we're going, there's an Urban Outfitters there. So when I meet up my friend, I'm just gonna go like an hour earlier so I have time to shop. You feel? And yeah, I'll vlog that. And I don't know, we're gonna see how this day goes, because I feel like this is so weird, but like I'm in the sale room.
Stacy?
Show the jacket.
Short.
Yeah.
Hold on, you gotta get in my time.
Oh dang. There's a doggo. Hello guys. So there's music playing, we'll show you. But what are we seeing, Shannon? Doggos. Multiple doggos. Wait, hold on. How do I be casual about this? I gotta take a selfie. Yes. With our camera. Look at the doggo, guys. Why is it shooting? Oh. We just pretended to take a selfie so we could get the doggo on video. But we're about to see Incredibles 2 in how long? Let me see. T-minus 21 minutes. Yes, and I have the tickets on my phone. So they can take the little barcode and they're like, the doggo's barking. Speaking to us. The doggo is triggered. Oh no. Oh my god, do you hear a band behind it? Wait. There's just like a... Oh, it was that guy. There's like a random guy like back in the corner. And like he was like... I was like, what are you doing? That's a moon. But yeah, we're singing Incredibles 2. And... too many emotions right now. Too many emotions. Like, I need to know. It's been like 14 years. Like, literally, like, I saw the movie. We both rewatched it, so we'll know everything. So it better be good. It better. And I saw like a post on Instagram that said the movie was 4 hours long, and I was like, yeah, but apparently it's only 2 hours. So maybe it's a part 2. Oh yeah. Incredibles 2 part 2. Incredibles 2 part 2. Oh my god. But yeah, we'll show you the live band in a minute. It's a bunch of dads. Like middle-aged white men. Yes. Should we tell them about our normal? Yes. Yes. It's basically, if you know who Normal Norman is, it's basically Normal Norman in like 30 years. 35 years. And it's just like exactly what that is. There's like the guy. Like, they're so into it. It's so good. It's so funny. And they have a big crowd. It's like all these like white families. Like 20, 30-year-old like white families. Literally. And they have like their little fold-out chairs. And they're all sitting there like with their beers or like with their kind of $50 waters. Oh yeah. Just like you only drink $50 water. Yeah. But I'm excited. So we had an experience. So
basically, I pull up the little ticket thing on my phone from Fandango, is that what it's called? Fandango. Let's be a little specific here, right? And the guy scans, he's like, this was for yesterday. No. Hold on. The Incredibles come out on the 15th. You can Google it. But the ticket says that it was on the 14th, but I specifically made it so I could go watch it on the 15th. There was no screening yesterday of the movie, so how could we have possibly gotten tickets for yesterday, right?
Yeah, like the time, it wasn't even like a midnight or anything like that. It was like 6:30 or something like that.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, this is for yesterday. And we both just kind of looked at each other like,
wait, what? Like, because like, it's not even one of those things where I'm like, oh, maybe I messed it up.
Yeah.
Like, I know I made it for my birthday.
Like we both like specifically like saw like the scenes that we chose.
Yeah. And so we were just like, what? So we're like stuck and we're like, what the heck do we do? Like, we have no seats.
Yeah.
And this guy's just
and
like,
we already paid for the seats too.
Yeah, and so we paid for 3D, guys.
3D, like
3D. So at this point we're just like, what the heck do we do? So my dad's eating at a restaurant, so I'm like, yo, Andy, get over here. And he comes and he like asks like the same guy, and the same guy's like, I don't know, kind of. Yeah. And then he gets to this like desk, and the guy's like at first, he's like, wait, huh? He's really confused, and then he looks up the date and he's like, what? That makes no sense. Like, how can you have a ticket from the day before? So what happens is he sees that there's an opening at the movie, but it's like the front seats, the
like
very
front,
front
like
corner. So we're like, but we ended up getting those seats because we're like, okay, it's better than nothing. But then the guy realizes that we had bought 3D and we had wanted, like, we were about to see it in non-3D, so he gave us free 3D tickets to watch any movie we want. So that was an experience. Shook.
I can't even, like, oh, and like when we, because the guy, he gave us like paper tickets to show to the guy who like scanned our phone earlier, and like we handed him the tickets, and I gave him so much shade. Like,
yeah, we were just like,
I didn't even make eye contact. I was like, don't talk to me.
Yeah, and then like my dad, when he had gone up before, me and Shannon were just off on the side, like what's gonna happen? Like, it was so bad, and like honestly, like, front wasn't as bad. It was kind of rough at first. Yeah. But like you got used to it, but now I have like a weird headache.
Me too. Because like when you're in front, because they have that kind of like panoramic kind of like sound. Surround sound. So like you can feel like the rumbling. And, that kind of thing.
And then of course we got like Starburst and like stuff.
Sour Patch Kids.
Yeah. So now we're just like,
like stressy. Yeah,
stressy. Oh my god, but that was so intense. Like,
that was like more intense than the movie.
Yeah. Oh wait, my dad called me. Bye bye. Let's do a little pan of the Andrew. Oh yeah.
Look at him strut.
So now for a review of Incredibles 2. Okay, so wow, there was a lot. It was good though. And like from some previews I thought the okay, considering we were in the corner, like it was kind of hard to see, but like I thought the graphics were going to be a lot different, but they actually weren't that different.
Yeah.
Like they were pretty similar, I'd say.
Yeah.
Like the characters don't look different, and the voices aren't different, which is good. Like Jack Towers.
Like Jack.
You'll just see. It's interesting. We don't spoil.
No spoilers.
But like, there's a lot. I don't know.
I think like, especially for like a Disney film, like it definitely felt like more like action, like a lot more like violent than I expected. It was really violent, surprisingly. Like I mean, I like watch action movies, so it's not like, oh my god, it's so violent.
It's kind of similar to like how adventure movies are.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like it's Marvel-esque.
Yeah. Like it's kind of like that kind of action.
It's very suspenseful.
Yeah, I feel like it had like almost more of a plot than the original.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like the original was,
it was just kind of like fun.
Yeah. So yeah. But now we get to see like, okay, if anyone knows like any good upcoming movies, like we're talking incredible.
We can like start reviewing.
Yeah. Oh my God. Guys, do you want this? Like Shannon and Olivia reviews?
Yes.
Like, I think this would be great. It's our man Shannon. Look at this. Ooh. She's wearing mother shorts. That's just, you know, outfits. Outfits always involve mother jeans, not mom shorts. Mother. And some nice flip flops. Do a little foot modeling for us. Oh, get them. Yes. Ooh. And then, oh, little wrist action right there. Oh, yeah. It's looking like a snack. Oh. What? Oh, 4-course, 3-course meal. 3-course with dessert. You're more than that, you know? Yeah.
Guys, so, I was at Urban Outfitters, right? And I bought some clothes, and I'm just gonna show you a highlight of an outfit. I'm definitely gonna do like a full video on this, but I call this one Middle-Aged Man in Hawaii. Like, it's so just like, yeah. Oh my God. But I don't know, it's cute. Look at these shorts, first of all. They make your butt look fine. And like the nice crop top, and it just looks great with scrunchies. Oh, I feel amazing. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. But thank you guys ahead of time for all the birthday wishes, and thank you for anyone who has told me happy birthday or given me a present. It really means a lot. And yeah, thank you. Bye.